Hello, my name's Jennifer, and I'm going to be doing some sign-to-voice interpreting. People sometimes get dizzy, and you might wonder why. It's because inside your ear you have a semicircular canal. It is a circular device that's inside your ear, and it has millions of tiny hairs surrounding it. And those hairs are to send information via liquid that travels through your ear, feels the vibrations, sends the information to your brain very quickly so that you can get that information. If those hairs happen to get kind of jumbled, the brain doesn't understand where the liquid is or how to communicate that information accurately. Once those hairs calm down, you can find your sense of balance and it starts to work and function properly. As you likely know, you have a lot of nerves in your body. These nerves communicate information kind of like a telephone to your brain. And this isn't a slow process. For example, if you're cooking, the nerve in your finger, if you just happen to touch something that's hot, it sends that information to your brain so that your brain understands that it's hot and it tells your hand not to touch it. And this is really a quick process. 1 centimeter per 300 or 3 feet per second. It's very quick. It's a very quick communication process with your brain. It's very interesting. You might wonder how a toilet works. If you take the lid off of the toilet and look into the tank, you'll notice 2 tubes and a plug at the bottom, kind of like your bathtub has a plug. The first tube is attached to a floating ball with chains. If you flush the toilet, the plug lifts, water drains from the tank into the toilet bowl. All the while, that first tube has water that comes from town, and the water pressure allows it to fill the tank back up. That ball, as the water level goes down, follows the water line and then lifts back up as the water pressure fills the tank. It stops at about 3/4 of the way full. And that's how it works.